Here are 3 glasses of water. They all look the same, right? Water is water. Well, this one is taken from a puppy water bowl. And this one is regular tap. Now, which one would you rather drink? Has to be the tap one, right? Well, puppy or not, according to the Environmental Working Group, this glass of tap water can contain over 270 contaminants such as chlorine, lead, arsenic, fluoride, nitrate, PFAS, and rocket fuel. Yep, fuel. It would be great if they were all painted in different colors, so you could at least know. Sadly, they're not. This one is actual pure water. It's taken from AquaTru Connect, a revolutionary countertop water purifier that not only purifies your water, it also has sensors and an app that helps you keep safe by letting you see the quality of the water you're drinking. AquaTru Connect purifies your water thanks to its patented 4-stage ultra-reverse osmosis purification process. It's certified to remove 78 of the most dangerous toxic chemicals and effective at removing hundreds more. Pitcher filters? Don't even come close. Here's how it works. Fill the AquaTru tap water tank. The water goes through the 4-stage system, a pre-filter to remove sediment, a carbon filter to remove chlorine, then a reverse osmosis filter to remove dangerous metals like lead, fluoride, and chromium-6. Then a second high-density activated carbon filter that removes volatile organic compounds like PFAS and prescription drug residue. The result? The best water you've ever tasted. Fresh, delicious, pure, without hundreds of contaminants. If you miss the taste of rocket fuel, you can add it yourself. The AquaTru pitcher is removable, so you can cool it in the fridge. AquaTru water is not only healthy, it's also economical. This is how much a gallon of AquaTru water costs compared to other pure water options. Then there's the environment. Over 50 billion plastic water bottles are used a year in the United States alone. AquaTru uses about 50 billion less than that. So a quick recap. AquaTru's delicious water is contaminant-free, saves you money, and saves the environment. Plus, AquaTru Connect is really easy to install. There, it's installed. Then there's the AquaTru Connect app. This is 2020. To be the best, your filtering system better be smart. AquaTru Connect is super smart. It has sensors and an app. The built-in sensors tell you the quality of your tap water and how pure it is after filtering. Its connected database gives you detailed information about potential problems with tap water in your area. You'll also receive alerts when it's time to change your filter, clean, or do simple maintenance based on actual usage and not just set dates. That's how a smart system works. Want more? The app also gives useful information about how much water you're drinking, how many plastic bottles you've saved, and how much money you're saving drinking from AquaTru. You're welcome. That's all great information, and our graphics are awesome. But to actually trust us, you may need some demonstrations. AquaTru is a system so powerful, it can actually turn Diet Cola and even energy drinks into pure water. Your tap water doesn't stand a chance. Need more proof? Well, take it from people who know a few things about water. At AquaTru, we're committed to transforming your tap water into clean, healthy water you can trust. We're a seasoned, dependable company that's been around for over 15 years, specializing in water and air purification. AquaTru Connect is the AquaTru 2.0, with our first version already enjoyed by tens of thousands of happy customers. So when it comes to purifying up your water, you can rest assured we really know what we're doing. In fact, we're so good, we're the brand Erin Brockovich swears by.
AquaTru. I'm using this in my own home.
So if you want an easy-to-install smart system to drink actually pure, delicious water from your tap and save a lot of money while doing it, get AquaTru Connect, the smart way to save pure water. Cheers!